found the cheapest monitor light bar that you can buy. Where BenQ light bar can cost more than $100, it costed me only $10. But should you still buy it? Let's find out. So this is the box, no brand name or the model name, and on the back I've actually found the model name, and the model name is FC102A. I purchased it from a Facebook page for $10. Then I found the Amazon link. It cost around $15, and this is your monitor light bar. I've already unboxed it and using it for a few days. When you open the box, you only get this light bar and absolutely nothing else, not even manuals. It has two light sources, the main light and the RGB light on the back. The light output is 5 watt and it only requires a USB connection. It has touch sensors on the right side and on the left side. The left side is for controlling the backlight, and the right side touch sensor is for controlling the main light. Let's talk about build quality, and what should I say? It is extremely cheap build. Cheap plastic, when you pick it up, you will feel that it will break very easily. But again, with just $10 or $15, you can't complain much. It has a clip-on mounting system like webcams. It also has a double-sided tape in it, and you can attach it like this. It's not actually meant for attaching to laptops, but it can still stuck like this, and then just connect the USB to the power source, and there it is. This is your light bar. Let me just turn off the light so that you can see easily. The light is actually pretty bright. I don't know if you can really feel it from the video, but this light up my entire desk. But you can also adjust the brightness level. Just hold the right side, it will decrease your brightness level. This is the minimum brightness, and if you hold it again, it will increase the brightness. This is the maximum brightness. Let me just turn off the RGB for a moment. The main light has 3 modes. This is the warm light. Just tap the right side to change. This is the natural white. Tap again. This is the cool white. If you tap again, it will turn off the light. Tap again to turn it back on. By the way, you can also change the angle of the light. So you just have to rotate the light like this. I like to keep it like this. If you angle the light too much to your desk, you will also see a bit of glare on the top of your monitor. And if you angle the light towards you too much, then it will hit directly to your eye, which is not a good experience. I like to have the angle where the light is actually focused on the desk, not in my eye, even if I have to see a little bit of glare on the monitor. Let's talk about the backside of the light bar. I'll turn the front light off. You can turn on or off the backlight by holding the left touch sensor. The brightness can't be adjusted, but you can change the effects. It has few effects. You can change them by just tapping the left sensor. There's one, another one. So that's pretty much all the features you have in this light bar. So is it worth it to buy this light bar? Well, if you are on a pretty tight budget, you are okay with only basic features and cheap build, but you still want a light bar, I think it is totally worth it. Come on, it's just $10. You need to spend $30-40 to get a better one, and even more than $100 if you want the premium ones. But that's about it. If you like this product, like my video as well. If you don't like this product, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.